welcome to Autobahn-Vault. I'm your host, Twee Fan. Today I'm here to do a detailed walk around this 1999 SL500 with 29,000 original miles. This one-owner SL500 comes with a detailed service history from the day it was new all the way to recent service completed in April of 2021. As you can appreciate here, the exterior of this SL500 retains its glossy smoked silver, which is free of dents or any major imperfections. The front bumper is clean and does not show the usual scuffs or cracks, which are a common sight on these cars thanks to their low front end meeting parking concrete stops. The AMG staggered 5-spoke wheels are 100% free of road rash or pitting and are fitted with brand new Michelin Pilot Sport tires. We would like to point out that regardless of year of manufacturing, each vehicle that we offer must pass a thorough safety, mechanical, and cosmetic inspection before they are even considered an Autobahn-Vault car. This inspection is performed by a small team made up of enthusiasts and collectors just like you, instead of the common used car business approach. As a result, we only acquire vehicles that we wouldn't mind keeping for ourselves, and this 1999 SL500 is no exception. Once a vehicle becomes a part of our inventory, it goes through a comprehensive reconditioning process, even if they are a one-owner, very low mileage example like this one. Beautiful factory all-original interior with unmarked seats, door panels, dashboard, wood center console, and even factory sun visor mirrors in working order. Carpets are free of imperfections and are definitely consistent with its very low mileage and loving one-owner care. At Autobahn-Vault, our goal is to exceed your expectations with our enthusiast-focused vehicles, and whether you search for a show car or an eclectic drive for special occasions, this very low mileage one-owner Mercedes-Benz SL500 will fit the bill safely and reliably. Speaking of reliability, a full service completed in April of 2021 was designed to proactively address most known pitfalls on a 22-year-old Mercedes R129 and included all new fluids and filters, roof hydraulics rebuild, new battery, new OEM hood pad, new OEM front tie rods, and new Michelin Pilot Sport tires on its flawless staggered AMG Sport wheels. A direct result of this attention to detail is that all systems work as intended. This includes a powerful air conditioning, roof mechanism with fresh hydraulic components, and even its factory stereo and antenna are in working condition. Purchase of this SL500 includes original window sticker and original purchase invoice from October of 1999, a complete set of owner's manuals, 2 factory key fobs and valet key, complete service history dating to day 1, never used factory toolkit, matching hardtop with storage cart, and factory windscreen. To conclude, we are confident that the second caretaker of this R129 will enjoy many years of happy motoring behind the wheel of a beautiful, appreciating low mileage SL500. For pricing, shipping quotes, or any information, please give us a call at 239-204-7434 or visit our website at autobahn-vault.com.